Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see the website here. You can see the glass effect around the border of the form, and when you click on the button you can see the nice color effect and the movement of the letters, and fill out the form which is in required form in the HTML section. Then sign up. You can see the transition effect, smooth transition effect from sign in to sign up form. Then you can see the button effect also as you hover onto the button. And login, then we get back to the login form. You can see the smooth transition from sign up. We'll go back to the sign up form. The entire source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.